everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my BYOP update for you. I apologize for looking a little rough tonight. I was at a conference all day, a little over an hour away from where I live for like the mid-Atlantic region, and I am just wiped out, and it is, yeah, I've been up almost 24 hours, so yeah, it is time for me to film this really quickly and wrap it up because tomorrow's a busy day too. All right, so BYOP, I started doing this with my friend Dana 2-3 years ago. I don't even remember when we started, and it has changed. I have swapped out some things and rebooted, and you name it. I've done all the things, and I might do that again for the new year. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do, but right now I'm just sticking with what I have in this palette, and I really don't have any hard and fast rules. Some things I want to hit pan on, some things I want to finish. Right now I don't think I have anything in here that I'm just trying to hit pan on. I did, but I hit pan on that and I rolled it out. So now everything that I currently have in here is just to finish, and I don't know if it's going to happen, but we're going to continue to work on it. And if I haven't said, I'm going to have Dana linked down below. She is just on Instagram, so if you want to go check her out, check her down below. I know there's a bunch of other people that have joined into this at some point, and everyone that I know of that has joined into it, I am going to link down below as well. And if you want to jump in on this, it's no like official kind of thing. We're just doing our own thing, having some fun with it, making our own rules as we go along. And yeah, so if you want to join us, by all means. All right, so I'm going to show you a picture of where this palette was last time. And this is what it is currently looking like. Some changes, not a ton, but some changes. I'm going to go through them one at a time. So right here we have the Coastal Scents Mica Pigment. This is a Reuben Coral Pearl Mica, I believe. Yes, a Reuben Coral Pearl Mica. I have ever so slightly expanded the pan on this. I do have it on my lids today, and I do not think this is going to be done by the first of the year. I don't know if it's going to stay in or not. I just don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Next is going to be from the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette. This is Cotton Candy. I have ever so slightly expanded the pan on this one. You probably won't even be able to tell the difference. I should have, probably on this side, I should have where this was last month so you can compare. Alright, so the two biggest changes I think are going to be these two shades right here. These are from the Coastal Scents 88 palette. The green did not have any pan on it, and now it's like, let me bring it in closer. It is just on the edges. So I am hoping to have that one done by my December update. I think I can do that one. And same for this kind of blurple shade. I did have pan on it, but I have significantly expanded the pan on this one. I like to wear this with my purples and like just build around this and make it a usable color for me, and it works. Next we have Ice Ballet from Coastal Scents. Again, ever so slightly expanded the pan on this one. You're not going to be able to see much of a difference on that one. Like, I can if I'm really looking closely at the picture and the pan, but the average person is not going to be able to see the difference. Same with this one down here. This is also from Coastal Scents. It is the mica pigment called Winterveld. I have used it, but not a drastic difference. And I don't think I've even used this one. It is a Frankened Coastal Scents 88 palette shade. And yeah, I don't think I've touched this one at all. This one definitely has some significant difference. This is, I want to say it's called Embark. Let me double check. Yes, it is Embark. It is from the Profusion Eyes Trendsetter palette. And I just had like the one corner out of it, this top corner, and I've expanded down here and over just a little bit. So yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this palette. I'm going to continue working on it as is, and my goal is going to be to get both of these Coastal Scents 88 shades out. And who knows, maybe I can even get this dark brown shade out. As far as January, I just don't know. I kind of feel like if I can get those 3 shades done, I might just reboot this whole thing. Not that I don't like these other shades, but they've been in here most, if not all of the year, and I just want to mix it up a little bit. I definitely want a play year for next year. I need a play year. I will still try to finish some things, but I don't want to tackle as much to try to finish as I did initially this year, because mid-year it got a little overwhelming, and I wanted to just not give up, but I just wanted to focus on the few things that I absolutely had to get out this year. Not had to, but you know, that I really, really wanted to get out this year, and then I just kind of like backburnered everything else. And I don't want to do that for next year. I just want to like play with my stuff, and I want to rotate through it with some things that I want to finish. So I think that is what I'm leaning towards for the new year, is to, if I can get these 2 and this one done, then just reboot for the new year. And just, I don't know what the palette's going to be. I don't know what the 50 Shades color is going to be yet. And I think a lot of things are going to be dependent on those 2 things to see what coordinates with either the color of the year or, you know, my palette. So I just don't know if these shades are going to work with that. And they didn't work super well with my palette this year, which I think is why I struggled with these 2 shades, even though I really like them. My primary palette, it was warm neutrals, and like this worked really well with it, but not a lot else did. So it became a struggle. So I want to plan better for next year so I can pan better next year and just have some fun. That is my ultimate goal for the new year. It's just have some fun, enjoy my collection, and not have like a lot of stress, because this year was very stressful for me, and next year I just don't want it. I don't want the stress. So, and it wasn't just the panning stress. There was a lot of other stress that was happening in my day-to-day life, and I don't want the stress for next year. So I don't know if my regular life is going to be less stressful. I mean, I've got kids, I homeschool, I do all that stuff, and you know, my health has not been the greatest this year. So yeah, I don't need stress in my panning. I want to enjoy makeup and have some fun with it, and let that be a stress relief as opposed to a stressor. So that is what I'm thinking for the new year. So we'll see what I can do by the next update, and then we'll go from there. Definitely go check out Dana. Like I said, she's going to be linked down below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.